So guys, today I will show you my Toy State Caterpillar steamroller. So this is really rare, and I have not seen footage of this version because I have seen footage of a Caterpillar steamroller toy that's also made by Toy State, but that one is smaller and does not have lights and sounds, unlike mine. And there are only 4 stickers, like 2 on each side, 1 up front, and another at the back that says cat. And sadly, it's not motorized, but it is freewheeling, and it takes button cell batteries, but I don't remember what kind, so I might have to tell. But feel free to tell me what they are. So it's got 3 buttons. This is the startup, and before that it says Caterpillar. This makes an engine sound, and this makes a beeping sound, and I believe this one also does the horn. Let's just do this. It's also quiet. To be honest, this thing is really glitchy. This is just glitchy, because even with fresh batteries, I literally installed new batteries yesterday and it acts like it's on low batteries. Finally it works. So it makes the honking sound. So I can tell that it does that because mine is glitchy. And this is supposed to be the backup sound, but it doesn't. But it just does. There we go. And it cut off on me. Try hold it. Oh my god. Besides, when I first installed these new batteries, this thing still had the same problem. So I have found the speaker in it before, so I'll have to put my phone on this box for a sec because I'll need both hands for this. Screw. Finally, we got that out. As you can see, the speaker is hidden behind this wheel. This Roll back. Oh. So, because when I got one of the screws out, the hole for here, and the screw are on the black part which houses the batteries and connects the wires to the lights. They're not even, so I can't put the screw in, so, well. So that was it. Hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.